Hi guys, let me show you my our little house that we rented for the week in Hikkaduwa, and try in this coconut. What's it called? Coconut grove? Not sure. Anyway, so we've got a space to put the stroller. You can wash your feet. That's a very good thing when you come from the beach. The beach is 300 meters from here, so that's a walk in the park. Literally a walk in the park. We're actually staying here in some kind of a park almost. It's quite cool. I like it. There are some coconut trees. Yeah, what's it called? Coconut grove? Not sure. So there's a couple of houses here, little houses. I'm not sure. It almost looks like a little barn. And not sure. It's an outside shower. But anyway, so this is our little house. It's the dogs. I think the dogs, they don't like the whiteys. Anyway, come on, let me give you a tour of the Casa de Moonshine. Anyway, so this is the living room, the sitting room. You know, it's like a very traditional old Sri Lankan house, right? So with old traditional furniture. I like the wooden table. I love that. I love the wooden. I love these wooden chairs here, and well, it's growing on me. I thought when we got here, I thought it's a bit small, but right away now, after some time, it's growing on me. It is a bit small, but hey, come on, we don't have to have I've got the huge house all the time. So anyway, so there's one of the bedrooms here. There's a little boy. Are you awake now? So he's been sleeping parts of the journey. You're okay. He's a bit sleepy. Anyways, oh yeah, there's no AC. There's only some standing fans. And the mirror, of course. I will never forget to mention that. Anyway, here as well, this is old furniture. It's pretty cool. I mean, they put. That's the funny thing is they put an iron and a hairdryer in almost every Airbnb I've ever seen, and we've been living in Airbnbs for 5 years now, right? I mean, more or less. Sometimes when we stay somewhere longer, we have a private thing with them. Hey, can you leave that? We'll open it later, okay? Olive, come on.
Now I cannot sit here anymore.
Yes, and anyway, so we've got this thing here I saw in each room, so that is helping because the mosquitoes are not so much fun. Anyway. Yeah, so you could iron your clothes here. You have a little cupboard here, and then there is we get some pillows, extra pillows. I think the old. Oh, hello. Hello. I'm just making a room tour. Is this the route tour? Oh, hello, sir. Hello. So we get some more pillows. Let me show you the bathroom. Oh. It's not planned like that. That's okay. Sorry, just have to go through here. No. See, this is also it's an old kind of shower with a nice modern shower head though. But I like this style. This is very, I noticed from India or from lots of places. So this is how old is this house?
Maybe 80 years old, 70.
80 or 70. Oh, that's quite old. I like it. Yeah, I like it. See, we have a modern toilet, Western toilet. We got a hose, and we got another mirror, of course. And yeah, all right. Wooden doors. I like it. I do. I like this chair here. So that's where you be seeing me sitting and reading, maybe. And here you'll be seeing me standing, looking out. Something like that. All right, so that's the second bedroom. Oh, so yeah, we're back in the second room with another mirror. Yeah, it's a small room as well, but it's nice touches. It's clean. It has mosquito juice. It has mosquito nets. It tells you a lot about the mosquito situation, I suppose. And yeah, also it is old. And oldish, old wooden furniture. And of course, that's not like super old, but it's yeah. Let's just say for a week. I like the touches, I like the thing. I like I like that it's. Shh, I'm trying to film. I like the fact that they would have lived here, 50 years ago, like this, the same, all right? I like this. So this is for hanging the clothes. And there's another bathroom. Shower. There's a shower with a nice noodle shower head. Is that what it is? And of course, I don't even mention anymore that there's another mirror. Yeah, modern toilet. It's all nice. Here you can stop, clean stuff. We have a bucket here as well, like in the other room. And hey, this is the kitchen. It's also a small kitchen, kind of like, almost traditional. I'm not sure if it's traditional, that is the word that I'm looking for. But we have hand wash here. We got some soap, I suppose. There's some washing materials, a new foam. This is a sponge, So this is nice, to have all the things, you need, right? We get a rice cooker we will get later on. And yeah, knife, bowls, plates, glasses. We got a gas cooker. This is for the water, hot water. There's a couple of pans, there's a cutting board. I don't know. Yeah, he'll fix that for me. Of course, there's a regular fridge. There's nothing in there yet. Well, there's my peas that I've been traveling with since Colombo. Yeah, anyway, so and then we're back in the living room, the small living room, which has lots of cool things, like these cobras. Or this mask here. Huh? Very nice. Check it out. Oop. Oh, there's a log in my room, in my apartment. Yeah, here, see? Another mask. Nicely done with a cobra on top. And are these monkeys? I'm not sure. I think they're monkeys.
There's a cobra in our apartment.
Yeah. I don't know what these thingies are. I know they're pretty cool. I like it. Nice lamp. Huh? It's nice touches. I still say it's nice touches, right? And he's a bit small, but it's not bad, That doesn't mean bad, right? Like it is. See? This is
And we have a garden.
what's it called? Yeah, I'm showing the garden. What are these called? More. Peacock. Peacock. Always important. Yeah, here we have a little balcony and we came from here.
The thing is they cannot fly.
Yes, that's true. And yeah, but the most important thing is we have dogs. Don't like the dogs so much. Anyway, so I can show you around a little bit. Yeah, this is the main road. From there we come in. So I don't know what this house is. Hey, doggy. I can show you my new friends, the dogs. Yeah, I think maybe it'll take a few days till they get used to me, or to us. Hey guys, come on. That's not the way. Is that a welcome? Are you welcoming me to the family? Huh? Are you, lady? Come on. Hey. Hey. Oh well. They are welcoming me. I'm very happy. It's the hat. Oh. Is it the hat? Taking off the hat. Oh wow. This one Carly? Which one? This one?
Sony and Devadauna.
But no Buddha? No Buddha? Buddha?
No.
Hindu? Buddhist?
Buddhist.
No Hindu?
Buddhist.
Yeah, come on, I've taken off the hat, dude. Hey, no biting from behind, right? All right. Nice. It's a little house shrine. All right. Okay, bye. Hello, lady. There's lots of dogs. You have many dogs. Come on, no biting. Guys.
Chocolate.
Dogs. They have lots of dogs. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is wondering why they have so many dogs.
Chocolate.
Ah, this is nice. Very big.
Chocolate.
It's okay. Shanti. Wow. See, that's our garden. There's another house building.
Yes.
This is for tourists? Airbnb or just for you?
Okay, come on, guys. Repair.
Huh?
Repair.
Yeah, you're not finished, yeah, but it's new.
Yes.
Or I know this is an old house you repair. Apparently this part, this old, this new. I think so, but never mind.
No English.
I mean, no Sinhalese, unfortunately. But it's nice to see. Oh, wow, see, that's what they do here. Okay, and that's it here.
Yes.
Very nice. You can put the hat on again. Oh. See, this is quite a lot of greenery. There's a lot of dogs. I must say, my kids will not play so much outside. But, yeah, the beach is very close. Oh, there's a bamboo there.
Yes.
Wow. I like it.
Huh?
Very nice. Yeah, it's big
Yes.
land. Uh-huh. Well, anyway, so I suppose this was the house tour, which is mainly dogs and garden, right? Okay, guys, I come as a friend. Bye. I want to show me this. Okay. A ladder. So I'm letting this roll because I told myself I will make more one-shot videos, like without too much cutting and there's a little river or a canal, whatever.
Hotel.
Oh, this hotel?
Yes.
Oh, wow. No swimming, huh?
No.
No. Nah, I never. But have waran. Monitor lizard. Waran. You know waran? Monitor lizard? Never mind. It's okay.
Coral Garden Hotel.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Well, nice. Interesting. Thank you so much for showing me. Did we come here? Come from here. All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to get ready to explore. Yeah, very nice. Why do you have so many dogs? Dog.
Yes.
You know? Are you selling the dogs? Or you always could think, if it was another animal, I would not be asking these questions, But they do not eat dogs in Sri Lanka. That is for sure. Right? I think they're okay. They're friendly. They're just welcoming me into the neighborhood, into the house, into the family, basically.
Hotel.
That's another hotel?
Yeah.
This one hotel?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So there's that. Of course, there's lots of hotels. But actually, lots of the hotels here are closed as well, after 2.5 years of corona pandemic, and now the oil, electricity crisis, and the whole thing that's happening. It's not really helping. But at least people are starting to come back to Sri Lanka. So there will be some. Oh, come on, dude. There'll be some money coming in. All right, guys. Take good care. Anyway. Oh, another friend. Hey.
Which one?
Okay. All right, thank you so much. All right, guys. That will be it. So that's our house. We have a water tank up there. There's another dog. Yeah, it's a bit much dogs, huh? Okay, thank you so much, huh? Bye bye. Yeah, so there's the communication problem, you know, but that's okay. The sons, they speak such good English, so that's a big difference, right? And yeah, we'll get a fan in here as well. I mean, it's not that hot, but you know, a fan. You don't need AC, right? I mean, the whole AC thing is bugging me anyway. So, but yeah, that is it. That's my house video and the garden and dog video, right? And in the meantime, take good care. Bye bye. Bye bye.